Okay, so he connected this back, put it on, fuel line. What else? What else did you do? Put a battery bracket,
Yes.
the ECU. Now he's just putting the ground
No, so
wire.
just put ground.
Did you connect the linkage? Shifter cable linkage.
Yes, connect.
Collected that.
Connected.
Yeah, I went over that.
Can you connect? Just we now change the oil, change the filter. I connect the, you see, gas line. One gas line, this, one gas line, this I connect. That's not too much. And back, two for
Sensors.
Yes. No, that's before.
Oh, that was on?
That's how you see, that's I connect the, for the air condition. I
And
connect
for
the
heater and
heat
cooler.
and cooling. That's it. That's. And put this, connect this. See, connect this. And connect
change the
oxygen sensors. I connect one this, two.
And he changed the flex pipe while he was at it.
And now we
So putting the ground on.
put the ground. And we maybe put oil for this part to see we work.
And we still have a front end bumper, the lights, the front clip. Okay.
We check. Start. We lock. Check spark.
So the first try was no good. No bueno. So the main concern here was just to see if there's a spark, and then if there's a spark to see the fuel, and if that wasn't a problem, just to go from there. So the first thing first, old man is trying to see if there's a spark, as you will see shortly, because we were concerned about timing, right? Because that was an automatic transmission, and we did have to switch little sensors from the one side to another side of the engine, so just making sure that that didn't affect the timing and there is a spark.
Hold this. Hold this. I start.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
hold this side.
Just trying to see if connecting this, maybe computer needs a reset or whatever.
No, for me looks like an old timing for start.
Could be a timing issue.
Timing maybe something shut up the gas pump. Oh, like this pump. All I see the make the noisy. Just maybe no open the injector. That's what we see. Okay, put down to see. That's no open the throttle bottle.
Okay, so engine works, that's the important thing. Alright, so after some tinkering with it, we do believe that the injectors are not the same.
No, we see now I change the...
Because old man replaced the throttle body. Old man replaced the throttle body from that one over there to this one, and we used quick start and it started coughing. We checked for spark plugs. There's a spark. Old man says that there's a pressure in a fuel line. There's fuel, but
fuel line high pressure pump will work.
and here's the, like, look, that's kind of brand spanking new. That's insane. As you can tell that the engine is pretty new. So we should have
Okay. Now
It's definitely turning out to be much more headache than anticipated. Well, at least now we know the engine works.
yes. Okay. Go
Because
to,
there's always that.
go to start.
Again?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Start.
Huh?
For me knows which is problem. Just check the. We take the one injector to see light. Maybe no light. Maybe that's maybe fuse, but you see the start. The spray start. Put the spray start.
It's alive, it's alive. Little dinky Fiat is alive. And it feels so good. And you can, I don't know if you can tell through the microphone, but it's slowly starting to work better and better and better and smoother and smoother. Because this engine was probably sitting for a long time. It's gonna need a little time to settle in. Wow, so much trouble and headache for coolant. Where's that
Maybe that, I don't know, maybe. That's a sound.
this is the
Sound.
for antifreeze.
Maybe, I don't know. That's all we see after start. See where is the position. Maybe yes, maybe no, maybe for oil, I don't know.
Right there.
Maybe.
But after we put a coolant inside, it started right away. After we put a coolant in it, cranked over, started. So right now I'm just gonna do the real quick. Yeah, there's no point of me putting lights and everything. I'm just gonna do the time lapse of that, and then once we figure everything out, I'm just gonna do the little test drive, show you guys what. Woo! Yesterday this little dinky car gave us a headache, because you don't know, because we were switching from two different engines, right? So you don't know, this was automatic, and then you have to switch everything back and forward. So you're never 100%. But because we got the engine for such a good price and it was such a low miles, we just had to risk it. And the risk is paying dividend right now. The risk is paying dividend right now. Okay, I just remember right now, you said we switched it, we replaced the clutch too. We're gonna test the clutch, see if it works. Or we need to bleed it. Maybe I shouldn't be standing right in front of the car. Let's see. E-brake. Somebody has a rusty foot, but it works. Huh? It's been a while since you drove a stick shift, eh? Oh.